Welcome to this video, guys. Happy to have you. We are going to simplify x to the power of 3 minus 8 divided by x minus 2. But this is what I would encourage you to do. Why not pause the video and go attempt this problem by yourself? If you feel completely confident in your mathematical skills, pause the video, go attempt it for yourself, and then come back and let's walk through the problem and compare our answers at the end of the video. Go ahead, pause the video. All right, welcome back. Let's continue in this video. All right, so we are simplifying this algebraic expression. It's not very different from, say, simplifying a fraction like 8 divided by 2. We know by elementary mathematics that this is just 4. We simply divided. But you know, when you have other fractions that are not exactly divisible, where one is not exactly divisible by the other, you have to use the long division method, and that's exactly what we're going to do in this case as well. Because of this expression, it carries unknown x, so we can't just divide like that. We have to use the long division method. So let's use the long division method. All right, let's use the long division method. And if you recall, what you simply have to do is to draw out a shape like this. You fix one of the values on the outside, and then you fix the numerator on the inside as you would do a regular fraction. All right, so we start by simply dividing the first term, which is x, by x to the power of 3. Okay, so x into x to the power of 3, you will be left with x to the power of 2. I hope you agree with that from the law of indices. And what you have to do is you have to multiply what you got, the result you got, by x and also by 2. So x times 2 times x squared times x gives us x to the power of 3, right? X squared times minus 2 gives us minus 2x squared. And what you do in this case is to eliminate this. These 2 would disappear completely, and we would be left with minus 8. We'll fix it here, and then minus times minus, right? It's 2x squared. So 2x squared would also survive, would be left. This is what we have as the remainder. So we can't stop here, we have to keep on going. So x into x squared will be left with plus 2, and then there will be an x there, right? I hope you understand. So you multiply again as usual. 2x times x gives us what? 2x squared. Then 2x times minus 2 gives us minus 4x. And what you do, the same thing you did here, you simply subtract again, and then these two terms will disappear, and then we will be left with minus 8 will come down here again, then minus times minus will give us plus, so we come to get 4x. So this is what we have as our remainder. We can't stop here, we have to try dividing again. X into 4x gives us plus 4 right at the top. So we multiply by 4. 4 times 4x is 4 times x gives us 4x. 4 times minus 2 gives us minus 8. If you notice, this whole entire thing becomes 0. Right, this signals us that we have gotten to the end. We have gotten to the very end, where we can now simply divide, because there is no remainder. So that simply means that x minus 2 is divisible, right? So x to the power of 3 minus 8 is divisible by x minus 2. So we can now further break this down to say that x to the power of 3 minus 8 over 2 over x to the x minus 2. All right, we can now extend it. We can now rewrite it as what we got from here, which is x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, you can now do that, and then you can multiply it by x minus 2, which is what you divided by, and then what will be left at the bottom is also x minus 2. So we've broken down this x to the power of 3 minus 8 to this, and then when you divide, you realize that this cancels out this, and this entire fraction becomes x to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 4. So this gives us our expression. This is our final answer. I hope you got this as your answer as well, but if not, look through watch the video again, and then you would get it. If you have any question for us, why not drop it in the comment section and they will attend to it. Thank you, and see you on the next one.